Tam kopa papa. Medical to when they be komo kakra. Lake Bosomtwe. Lake Bosomtwe is under siege as illegal encroachers destroy vegetations along shorelines. Ghana's only natural lake, Lake Bosomtwe, is facing a growing environmental threat as unknown encroachers engages in widespread destruction of vegetations along its fragile shorelines, raising alarm among authorities, traditional leaders, and residents. The unfolding situation has sparked serious concerns over the ecological sustainability of the lake, which serves not only as a major tourist attraction, but also as a vital source of livelihood for surrounding communities. Large stretches of protective vegetations along the lake banks have reportedly been cleared, exposing the area to direct sunlight and accelerating the risk of erosion, habitat loss, and long-term environmental degradation. Lake Bosomtwe. Mami full video no fatu su ye mami ama. Lake na da hono. Na lake na da woni mu hono.
Really?
Ai. Enti the air koso e wo hono mo enie. Machine si wa e di dwiri. But I am told I will ask